It's an exciting time to be a part of downtown Fort Wayne. There's always something new going on. You've got alley art, new parks, new bars, restaurants, and you can't go a week without hearing about a new development that's either in the works or coming very soon. And the one thing that's been a part of downtown since 1989, right in the heart of it all, is Midtowne Crossing Condominiums. So let's check it out. I'm excited to tell you more about Midtowne Crossing Unit 405. This unit has been completely modernized for the urban downtown living that everybody wants. We've got concrete countertops, all new stainless steel appliances, laminate flooring all throughout, fresh paint, soaring 10-foot ceilings, crown molding, and it's an interior unit so you don't get any of the downtown street noise, but you get all of the downtown experience. Best amenities at Midtowne Crossing is its rooftop patio. You've got grilling areas, seating areas, plenty of space to entertain, not to mention the best view in the whole city for downtown fireworks on 4th of July. So that's it. That's Midtowne Crossing. I'll see you guys downtown.